All right, guys, it's vaccine time. So the vet has been and it's gone. So now it's our turn to to work our skills that we've learned from him. So these are the vaccine, or this is the vaccine, anyways. I'm using the Cervix vaccine. So that's the one. It's 1,000 doses, so it makes it easy. So if you have like even number, you can easily do that. All right, so I don't have gloves, but I've washed my hands outside, so my hands are clean. Open that, and then we'll take the syringe. I should be a doctor. So as you can see, I'm taking the diluted water, which I'm then going to put into the vaccine itself and mix it all together. So that is what I'm doing here. So this part here is really not something you want to rush. Take your time, take it slow, because I don't know if it's because I'm new to it. I found it like a really huge challenge to actually push the diluted water into the vaccine itself. It kept popping back into the syringe, so I just kept pushing it in. So you just want to take your time, not rush. Then just make sure you shake it really well so everything is combined. When you're eating a chicken wing, or if you're holding a whole chicken wing, in between that gap, the part where there's almost like a bone, that's where you put it. Come closer again, have a look. So this is your chicken wing. So in there, this spot here, where can you see there's like a bone here? So there's no bone in between there. You don't want to hit the bone. I paid for it and I'm teaching you for free. Literally pouring outside rain, which is perfect for us because when you're doing this, you don't want it to be too hot because imagine the heat stress, then this stress, not good. So this is perfect for us. Okay? We've got this.